Have you ever faced the frustrating issue of WordPress not sending emails? You're not alone. This is one of the most common problems WordPress users encounter. But don't worry, because in this video, we're diving into all possible fixes, from simple settings to advanced solutions, and trust me, the last method is something you don't want to miss. Let's get started. Before we jump into fixes, let's quickly understand why this happens. WordPress uses the WP Mail function to send emails, which isn't always reliable. Issues could arise due to 1. Incorrect email settings, 2. Your hosting provider blocking emails, 3. Emails being flagged as spam. Now that we know the root causes, let's explore solutions. First, ensure your email settings are correct. Go to your WordPress admin panel, then 1. Navigate to Settings and click General. 2. Double-check the email address field to ensure it's correct. Still not working? Let's move to the next fix. Install the WP Mail SMTP plugin to test if your WordPress email is functioning. 1. Go to Plugins and click Add New and search for WP Mail SMTP. 2. Install and activate it. Three. Use the test email feature to see if emails are being sent. If it fails, your server might be blocking emails. Here's how to fix that. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is a much more reliable method to send emails. 1. Go back to WP Mail SMTP and click on the Settings tab. 2. Choose an SMTP service like Gmail, Sendinblue, or Mailgun. 3. Enter the SMTP server details, username, and password. Once configured, test again. This resolves most email issues. If the SMTP setup didn't help, it's time to check your hosting provider. Some providers block email functions for security reasons. 1. Log into your hosting control panel. 2. Look for email settings or contact support to ensure the WP Mail function or SMTP isn't blocked. If you're still stuck, don't worry, we're getting to the exciting method soon. Sometimes, plugins can conflict and disrupt email sending. 1. Deactivate all plugins and test email functionality. 2. Reactivate plugins one by one to identify the culprit. Found the issue? Replace the problematic plugin or contact its support team. For ultimate reliability, use a dedicated email service like Sendinblue, free plan for up to 300 emails/day, Amazon SIS, low cost with high deliverability. 1. Create an account and set up email services. 2. Connect it with WP Mail SMTP using the API keys. This is the most robust solution for high-volume emails. To improve email deliverability, set up SPF, DKIM, and mark records in your domain's DNS settings. 1. Add SPF and DKIM records to authenticate your emails. 2. Set up mark to prevent your emails from being flagged as spam. If this sounds too technical, your hosting provider can help. And now, for the most exciting solution you've been waiting for. This one guarantees email success every time. But before we dive into that, make sure you've tried the previous steps. Are you ready? The final and exciting fix? Use a premium third-party email plugin like Fluent SMTP or Postmark. One, these plugins are designed to handle large volumes of emails with ease. 2, they come with advanced tracking and analytics for email delivery. Install one of these, set it up, and you'll never face email issues again. There you have it, every possible fix for WordPress not sending emails. Remember, the SMTP method and dedicated email services are the most reliable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress tips. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Happy emailing!